Day one of clearing out the land.
We did a lot.
I already got hurt.
What are we clearing out?
Literally everything.
What's today's date?
I don't know, like the August 22nd, 23rd, 2024.
We have all this to clear
This
out.
will all look different a year from now.
Doesn't look like we did a lot, but we did a lot. Lawnmower broke down on us, so probably got to get a new one. Yeah, look at the pile. That's from shrubbery, grass, weeds, sunflowers. Like I said, the lawnmower broke down on us, so I was able to only to get it to the quarter. We still have the whole back area. Yeah.